Alright y'all, we're in Van Horn, Texas, and when we got here, we looked in the camper, and something is missing up here. Look at that. So it's the big board. We took it outside. Already with the renovation we're talking about doing, we are planning on, which has been put on hold a little bit by the whole situation we're in now. We can't get some of the furniture and things we want. So when this is over, we're gonna put like some plain pine boards up here. We might stain it, might leave it natural, and then down here as well. So this coming off, it was just held on by staples. Let's see, there was one just held on by these little staples like this. Was the part calling to see if we needed to stay longer. It's super windy. It's like better, probably 25, 26 mile per hour winds with gusts up to 40. But it's dying down a bit now, and when we get about an hour down the road, it should die down even more. But you can see, this is all that's holding that big board up. I'll show you the big board out there. It's windy, you probably won't be able to hear me. I'll have to voice over, I'm sure, but this board is super heavy. The boards that we're going to put up here are much lighter than the press board thing that was up here, so that'll help reduce our weight some too. Anyway, let me show you the board. Then we're going to get on our way, head towards San Antonio.
Alright, let's put this in.
No, say it. Finally, finally we've got a renovation that is actually going to lighten our load instead of making it heavier. So that'll be a good thing. Alright, so here is the big board. Look how thick that thing is. Can we tip it over on him? Oh, you can see it's just like the fiberboard, cardboard garbage. So we're going to take it to the dumpster, break it up, throw it in there, and be done with it. And just go without for now until we get our boards. Maybe South Carolina. Miss my gimbal. Okay, so we're about to leave Van Horn RV Park. It's not too far off of I-10. It's a nice little stop.
Yeah. For
veterans, military, and Good Sam members, it's only $36 a night if you pay cash, and then like $40 if you pay by credit card, and it's only a few dollars more if you're not one of those groups. But yeah, it's pretty windy out here. You can see. Let's see. Where's the flag? Oh, it's right above
behind the building.
Yeah, it's way up above the building. Okay. But you can see it's real windy out here with the trees and all. So we are expecting about 20 mile per hour winds now, which is more than we'd like. But that's not going to let up anytime soon. About an hour east of here, the winds drop down to like 15 miles per hour and lower. So we're going to try and go real low and slow, and get to that point where the wind is less, because it's not going to let up anytime soon. Here we go.